Real English Conversations, Episode 5, How to Remember English Words Forever. Simple Tips for Beginners. Hello and welcome to Listen to Stories. This is a real English conversation for beginners. Today, Sara and Adam talk about how to remember English words forever. Listen carefully and enjoy the conversation.
Hi, Adam. How are you today?
Hi, Sarah. I am very good, thank you. And you?
I am great. Adam, today we have a very important topic.
Yes. I think everyone who is learning English needs to hear this today.
I agree. So, Adam, let me ask you this. Do you ever forget English words?
Oh yes, all the time. When I first started learning English, I forgot words very quickly.
Me too. I would learn a new word today and then forget it tomorrow.
Yes, that is so frustrating. You study hard, you learn new words, and then the next day they are gone.
So why does this happen? Why do we forget new words so quickly?
That is a great question. The answer is simple. We forget words because we only see them one time.
One time is not enough.
No, not at all. Think about it like this. Imagine you meet a new person today. Their name is Tom.
Okay, I am imagining. I meet Tom.
You hear his name one time, then you go home. The next day, do you remember his name?
Maybe, maybe not.
Probably not, because you only heard it one time.
But if I meet Tom every day for 1 week, I will definitely remember his name.
Exactly, because you heard it many times. Words are the same. You need to see and hear a word many times before your brain remembers it forever.
So the secret is repetition, seeing and hearing the word many times.
Yes, repetition is the most important thing for remembering words.
Okay, so how do we do this? What of the first tip?
The first tip is to use new words in a sentence right away.
Right away? You mean immediately after learning the word?
Yes, the moment you learn a new word, make a sentence with it.
Can you give me an example?
Sure, today's new word is grateful. Grateful means feeling happy and thankful for something good in your life.
Okay, my sentence is, I am grateful for my family and my health.
Perfect. Now you have used the word, and because you made your own sentence, you will remember it better.
Why does making your own sentence help?
Because it is personal, it is connected to your life. Your brain remembers personal things better than random things.
So do not just write the word and its meaning. Write your own sentence too.
Yes, your own sentence about your life, about your feelings, about your day.
That makes sense. What is the second tip?
The second tip is to review words at the right time.
The right time? What do you mean?
Most people learn new words and then review them the next day, but this is not the best time to review.
Really? When is the best time?
Research shows the best times to review are after 1 day, after 3 days, after 1 week, and after 1 month.
That is called spaced repetition.
Yes, spaced repetition. You review the word at the right times, and each time you review it, your brain remembers it more strongly.
So if I learn a word today, I review it tomorrow, then 3 days later, then 1 week later, then 1 month later.
Exactly, and after that you will never forget it.
That is amazing. But how do people remember when to review?
There are apps for this. Anki is a very popular app. It tells you exactly when to review each word.
So the app does the work for you.
Yes, you just open the app and it shows you the words you need to review today.
That sounds very helpful. What is the third tip?
The third tip is to learn words in groups, not alone.
What do you mean by groups?
I mean learn a word with other words that are connected to it.
Can you give me an example?
Sure, the word hungry. Do not just learn hungry alone. Learn it with connected words. Hungry, thirsty, tired, full, energetic.
Oh, I see. These are all words about how your body feels.
Exactly. When you learn words in a group, your brain makes a connection between them, and connections help you remember.
So hungry reminds you of thirsty, thirsty reminds you of tired, and so on.
Yes, your brain loves connections. Give it connections and it will remember better.
That is a great tip. What is the fourth tip?
The fourth tip is to use pictures with words.
Pictures, like drawing?
Yes, or looking at pictures online. When you learn a new word, find a picture that shows that word.
Why do pictures help?
Because your brain remembers pictures much better than words alone.
That is true. I can remember pictures I saw years ago, but I forget things I read very quickly.
Exactly. So when you learn the word mountain, do not just write mountain. Find a picture of a beautiful mountain and look at it.
And then when you think of the word mountain, you see the picture in your mind.
Yes, the picture stays in your memory and the word stays with the picture.
I love this tip. What is the fifth tip?
The fifth tip is to use new words as much as possible in speaking and in writing.
Use the word, not just study the word.
Exactly. There is a big difference between knowing a word and using a word.
Can you explain more?
Sure. I know the word magnificent. It means very beautiful and impressive. But I never use it in conversation.
So you know it, but you do not really own it.
Exactly. You need to own your words. Use them. Say them out loud. Write them in messages. Use them when you speak.
So every time you learn a new word, try to use it in real life.
Yes, use it today. Use it tomorrow. Use it next week. The more you use it, the more it becomes yours.
I like that. Make the word yours.
Yes, a word you use is a word you never forget.
Adam, what about words that are very difficult to remember? Some words are just hard?
Yes, some words are harder than others. For these words, I have a special tip.
What is it?
Make a funny story or a funny picture in your mind.
A funny story? Can you give me an example?
Sure, a difficult word for many people is embarrassed. It means you feel bad because something awkward happened.
Yes, embarrassed is hard to remember.
So make a funny story. Imagine a big red bear sitting in a chair. The bear is embarrassed because he sat on a cake.
That is a funny picture. A bear sitting on a cake.
And now, every time you hear embarrassed, you think of the bear and the cake, and you remember the word.
That is brilliant. Funny pictures stay in your memory forever.
Yes, the funnier the picture, the better you remember.
I am going to try this with difficult words.
Please do. It really works.
Adam, some people use flashcards to remember words. Is that a good idea?
Yes, flashcards are very good, especially digital flashcards on your phone.
How do flashcards work?
You write the word on one side and the meaning on the other side. Then you look at the word and try to remember the meaning. If you remember, good. If not, you look at the other side and try again.
So it is like a little test every time.
Yes, and testing yourself is one of the best ways to remember things.
Why is testing yourself so effective?
Because when you try to remember something, your brain works hard. And when your brain works hard, it remembers better.
So do not just read the word. Try to remember it without looking.
Exactly. Close the book, close the app, and try to remember. Even if you forget, that is okay. Try again.
Every time you try, your brain gets stronger.
Yes, think of it like exercise for your brain. Every time you try to remember, you are exercising your memory.
I love that. Flashcards are brain exercise.
Exactly. Use them every day, even for 5 minutes. Your memory will get stronger and stronger.
Okay, Adam, let me review all the tips for our listeners.
Yes, let's review together.
Tip 1. Use new words in your own sentence immediately after learning them.
Tip 2. Review words at the right times, after 1 day, 3 days, 1 week, and 1 month. Use the Anki app to help.
Tip 3. Learn words in groups. Connect words that are related to each other.
Tip 4. Use pictures with words. Find a picture for every new word you learn.
Tip 5. Use new words as much as possible, in speaking and in writing. Make the word yours.
And tip 6. For difficult words, make a funny story or a funny picture in your mind.
6 tips, all simple, all free. Anyone can do these.
Yes, you do not need a special memory. You just need the right habits.
And the most important habit is to use words, not just study them.
Yes, study is good, but using is better. Use English every day. Use new words every day.
And slowly your vocabulary will grow and grow.
Yes, and one day you will have a very big vocabulary, and you will use all of it naturally and easily.
That is the goal. Natural and easy English.
And it is possible for everyone, with time and the right habits.
Adam, do you have one last message for our listeners?
Yes, I want to say this. Your brain is not bad at remembering. Your brain is amazing. You just need to give it the right help. Use these tips, be patient, and trust your brain.
Beautiful. Trust your brain. It is working even when you do not know it.
Yes, every word you learn today is going into your memory. Even if you forget it tomorrow, it is still there, deep inside.
And with repetition, it will come back, stronger than before.
Exactly. Never give up on a word. Keep seeing it, keep hearing it, keep using it, and one day it will be yours forever.
Thank you so much for this wonderful conversation today, Adam.
Thank you too, Sara. I hope everyone listening will try these tips starting today.
And now, a question for you, our listener.
Yes, what is your biggest problem when remembering English words?
Do you forget words quickly? Do you have a tip that helps you remember?
Tell us in the comments. We want to learn from you too.
Because learning is better when we share our tips with each other.
We believe in you. Keep listening, keep practicing, and keep going.
See you in the next episode, everyone. Thank you for listening to Listen to Stories. See you in the next conversation.